Of course, always here to serve. A 5-circle hotel has everything!
I guess I could mold puck, cut a piece of covered in fish oil.
I don't care if I can do it, just get it done!
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 72. Effective until 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, this watch includes the following county in Massachusetts, Berkshire, and the following counties in New York, Albany, Columbia, Greene, Montgomery, and Saratoga. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the chances of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for severe weather conditions, and listen for statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, television outlets, or internet sources for further information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 72 is in effect until 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county in Massachusetts, Berkshire, and the following counties in New York, Albany, Columbia, Greene,